What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be washing the X1. It's a nice day out today. Still pretty cold. We're gonna go ahead and wash it anyway because it's super dirty. It's early spring here, I guess, in Illinois or in Great Lakes, so perfect time to wash it. So the X1, I haven't really talked about it that much. It's my wife's car, right? It's the daily, my wife's car. It's also going to be modified, which it has been. It's already modified on MHG Stage 1. It has the charge pipes that we installed in the last video. It was a Texas car. My buddy and I picked it up in Arkansas. So we got it at like 70,000 miles, which is not bad for a 2015, especially for an X1. And overall, it was like $25,000. So definitely not a bad deal. I'm pretty familiar with the N55 engines. I kind of already knew what to expect, especially having BMWs in the past. So when we first got the car, I already knew right off the bat that I was going to modify it. We got all the gaskets replaced, oil filter housing, valve cover gasket, oil cooler gasket. We had the oil pan gasket replaced. The coolant was leaking, so we had to go to BMW to get that done. We had the radiator replaced there. We had the water pump and thermostat replaced. The steering rack was a curveball because I didn't think that was going to be an issue. So we had a bunch of work done through an independent shop and through BMW, which is high-key fucking pricey as fuck. And I guess some expectations, right, that you would want to expect buying an X1 at this age is a lot of just that failures. If you are going to be getting a used BMW and it's closer to the 60,000 mile mark, just expect to be spending a little bit of money to get those certain parts replaced, like the gaskets, right? Just know too, like most BMWs, once they're at that 60,000 mile mark is when they're going to start needing some maintenance done. So we spent quite a lot already on this car, and that's not really our fault, and I'm not really going to say it's the previous owner's fault, but a lot of BMWs that get sold under 60,000 miles because either that owner doesn't want to deal with the maintenance. But I mean, with almost every other car, you just need to do the maintenance and they're going to be fine. You got to pay to play, you know what I mean? So being a car enthusiast, you should know what to expect. You should do research on what to expect. Oh, there's a cop. That's a cop right there. And I just burbled. There was a cop when I was taking the exit ramp, and I pulled because I was trying to get in front of this guy, and I burbled. And then the cop stopped, which is fine. I'm not sweating, you're sweating. SEPANTA beat. That was it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Some B-roll with me washing the car and also talking about like what to expect. Getting a mid to high mileage X1. Don't be like one of these people that wash their car with the brush. I've been one of those people. Ignorance is bliss, you know. A lot of people don't know that it just damages the car more than it's cleaning it. Hand wash it, bring a bucket, even though it says don't use a bucket, who gives a fuck? But take care of your cars, guys. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.